What's up mga Kadaot? Today we're going to Motorcycle City at Mandaue to get my registration and certification of registration, for short OR and CR. So I'm driving this bike without them, without OR and CR. So I'm driving this illegally, but today is the day I'm gonna get the registration. Actually yesterday Adrian chatted me and said that it's ready for pickup, but I was so busy yesterday. I was cooking so I don't have the time to go there. But today, yep, I'm going now. I'm gonna get the ORNCR so we can ride now legally anywhere we want and make moto vlogs. So yeah, I'm gonna make a shout out to shout out to Chubasco or Basco. I'm gonna show his YouTube channel on the screen right now here. So yeah, this is my outfit for today. This is a oxygen what do you call it, long sleeves. What? It's very comfy to wear, but it makes me sweat a lot. So I forgot to shout out again. Shout out to Team NMAX Cebu NPC. Yeah, shout out. Woo! Shout out to everyone. Have a good Friday. Today is Friday. It's June 28th. Let's go. Woo! I'm hoping that there's no checkpoint ahead of us because I don't have the OR and CR. I'm gonna get busted with that. Cops. Yep. Ripple bikes. Whoa. Nice bike. Nice bike, sir. Woo! Shit. Fuck. Forgot to close my visor and the dust came into my eyes and that hurts. I think there's people, I think there's tons of people. There are lots of people going home to their provinces, and we're almost near to the South Bus Terminal. So I think this is why. I hope there's no fucking checkpoint. Woo! Shit. This is nuts. Yeah, I see buses coming out from the South Bus Terminal. They're heading out to south of Cebu. Depends where their route is. Yep. Yeah, there's bus. That's what I'm talking about. There's bus coming out from the bus terminal going to their destinations. Yep. Yeah. Shit. Tons of people going home to their places. Hey there, chicks. Very, very fucking traffic. Oh, so hot. Whoa, there's tons of people out there. Students from each school. Oh, sorry for that. Sorry for that shit. Fuck. Oh my god, where am I gonna pass? There's tons of cars. left and right. Your eyes are going crazy, looking for free space to pass. Oh shit. Huh. This is Cebu. Welcome to the Philippines. Yeah. God bless. He's making a left turn. See you, sir. Shout out to you. You know why? Tons. I mean, the number of cars has already succeeded the minimum or the maximum. For example, this the streets here in Cebu has the capability of, let's say, 1,000 cars, but there's more than that. Let's say there's 2,000. Whoa. So that's why it's very populated already. We're not gonna counterflow, maybe there's cops. Woo! Nice bike! I don't know what's the brand of that bike. Wow, very nice. Woo! I'm sweating a lot. Oh my god. Whoa, it's so powerful. Look at that. Whoa! Whoa! What the? What? It's so very powerful. I can't deal with that guy. Shit! What bike is that, guys? It's so powerful. I think that's a 2-stroke. Look, he's just running like chill. What the fuck is that bike, bro? Woo! I should ask him. No, look, it's like a coffin. It's like a coffin. It's so big, it's so huge, the width of it. It's Woo, I can't get over this bike. I'm gonna name this video title into I'm gonna ask that guy. Woo! Nice bike, bro. What bike is that? What bike? Yamaha? Kongta. How many cc? 250? Ah, very nice. Woo! So, Kongta? What's that? Kongta. 250 cc. Very, very nice bike. Kongta, 250 cc. Wow. The color of it, it's kind of light pink. Wow. Kongta, 250 cc. Damn, that bike's fast. So I'm gonna search about that bike. We'll see about it.
What's up, guys?
Oh yeah. So, nako sa Motorcycle City. Hey, English mo dun. We're at Motorcycle City to get the OR and CR for my NMAX. So, yeah. So guys, I have my OR and CR already. So, yeah. Wait. I'm gonna talk to you later. So now I have the OR and CR, the registration form, and the official receipt for the bike, for the registration of this bike. So I'm not scared to ride this bike anymore anywhere because I have complete papers. And maybe tomorrow I'm gonna go to Imol to have a temporary plate for my bike. And yep, let's go home now. So it took 1 month and 4 days for the registration, and that's not bad because other motorcycle companies like Motor Trade and Exam, it will take like 4 months for the registration to arrive for you to pick up. And 1 month, a month and 4 days, that's not bad. And if you wanna ask about how to get an NMAX, you should try to reach Adrian, or I'm gonna link a description in the description box below. Motorcycle City near San Miguel here in Mandaue. So yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and share this video. We'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye.